ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः।
प्रथमः पादः।
प्रथमः पादः
प्रत्ययः।
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्रितौ
अनुदातो सुप्रितौ
गुप्तज्ञेभ्यः सन्।
गुप्तिच्किद्भ्यः सन्।
You all can hear my voice, right?
Yes, yes, Shanji.
Okay. Is there any lag, time lag?
No, Ji. It's clear.
Man badadhan shanbhyo dirghaschaabhyasasya
Man badatan shanbhyo dirghaschaabhyasasya
धातो कर्मणः समानकर्तृकारिच्छायां वा
धातो कर्मण समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनक्य च
सुप
आत्मनक्य च
काम्य च
काम्य च
उपमानादाचारे
उपमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिके व्यक्त्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिके व्यक्त्वा वक्तव्यः।
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वे लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भूयश्च लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिदाज्यख्यश
लोकितादिदाज्यख्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्त तपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्थ तपोभ्यां वर्तिचरो
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्याम् उद्भवने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्यः करणे.
You're supposed to memorize this, right? You know it, right?
Yeah.
Up to 30, 35.
Yes.
Sukhadibhyak kartruvedhanayam
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रनित्यच
नमो वरिवश्चित्रनित्यच
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराण्णिङ्
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरान्निङ्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्थेभ्यो निच्
मुण्डमिश्रलक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृतोभ्यो निच्
धातोरेकाचो हलादेयक्रिया समविहारेयम्
धातोरेकाचो हलादिक्रिया समाभिहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसद चर जप जप दख दशगृभ्यो भावगर्भायाम्
लुपसदचर जप जप दह दश कृपयो भावयाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकसेना लोमत्वच वर्म वर्णचूडचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातूलश्लोकसेना लोमत्वच वर्म वर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच्
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
कण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
कण्वादिभ्यो यक्
गुपूधूपविक्षिपणिभ्य आयः
गुपूधूपविक्षिपणिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयं
ऋतेरीयं
कमेर्णिं
कमेर्णिं.
Just now we saw it. Kamayate.
Yeah.
Kamerning. Come down. Ayadaya ardhadhatu keva.
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
Sanadhyanta dhatavah.
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
Syatasil lutoh.
स्यतासि लुटो
Sibbagulam leti.
सिब्बहुलं
लेटी
लेति
कास्प्रत्ययादावमन्त्रे लिटि
कास् प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादेश गुरुमथोर्नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
जागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवां श्लुवच्च
भीवीबृह्वां श्लुवच्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि.
Up to that you can memorize 40 slowly, little by little. Now sun pratyaya is mentioned here, just we chanted just now. Guptechkidbhya sun, that sun is there, that sun going as anuvritti up to 7. two places. This is a sun. What is the difference between this sun and sun coming as anuvrutti to Savanta Sutra? Dhato Karmana Samana Kartarka Adichaya Ba. Is it the same sun?
It is Sanade, San Pratyaya.
Yeah, Guptachkidya sun is the sun doesn't enjoy Ardhatataka Sanya. You know, Thingshit Savadatakam, Ardhatakam, Sheshaha. Right? And Dhatoho iti Samshabdanam. Dhatoho, the word should be there, and after the Dhatu, the Pratyaya should be added, right?
Yes.
Tan Pratyaya should be added, being a Pratyaya should be added after the Dhatu because, no, this is Pratyaha, Prascha, after the Dhatu it is should be added, and Dhatoho, the word, should be there. Now, fifth Sutra, there is no word Dhatoho. Dhatoho iti Samshabdam Nasti, right? Dhatoho adhikare ye pratyaha patitaha dhatoho parasya ye pratyaha agachanti tesham namayeva sarvadhatukam adhidhatukam. Right? Thingshit sarvadhatukam adhidhatukam sheshaha. All those things we have seen, right, before. It's a basic thing. Okay. Now, sun comes after the dhatu. Gup, tich, kid. They are dhatu only. But dhatoho, the word is not there. Not as anuvritti, not as adhikara. Therefore, that sun, which is coming as anuvritti even to the sixth sutra. Not in the, they are not, it's not adhidhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, see, when adhidhatuka pratyaya follows, what will happen? Angakarya happens, right? Rasva, lagu, upada will get guna, adesha, and that's why igantanga will take guna, that's why ikupada will take guna. Yeah. All those things will happen. But doesn't happen. For sun doesn't happen. You will see, gup plus sun, what will happen? Yugup sate you get. Titik shate tich. So you get like that. Whereas Samanta Sutra, Dhatoho is there, very important. There only the sun is Ichchate sun. Ichchayamba, that is a desiderative sun. So we are interested in desiderative sun, but we will discuss fifth sutra also. Okay, so sun generally called desiderative because of the sutra 7. Dhatoho karma samana kartakar ichchayava. So to the dhatu and to the karma, what is karma? Here karma karaka, right? The kriya is there, action is there, for which the karma will be there. So to that, it is added. So karmana samana kartaka ichchaya va, when the person samana kartaka, also important, the same person who desires, right? That samana kartaka, important. Ichcharte ichchayam ichcharte san pratyaha bhavati dhatoho. Okay, now let us see. Though we call desiderative, fifth and sixth sutra, they are not desiderative. What is this sun? Sun is a pratyaya. Why it's pratyaya? Because it comes under pratyadhikara. And pratyaya parascha bhavati. And pratyaya sun is added optionally to a dhatu. It's not mandatory. It's not that you should use only sananta form. You can express that in ordinary form also. Ramaha patitam ichchati, you can say. Ramaha pipatishati also you can say. So therefore it is optional, optionally added to a dhatu, which is the object of the root ichchati, to desire. A dhatu is added to a dhatu, which is the object of the root. That is ichchati is ichcharte, that's why ichcharte. Devadattaha kartum ichchati. Devadattaha ichchati. Ichchati for that kartum. Devadatta, what does he desire? He desire to do. Even though kartum is tuman, avyaya, but there it is karma, it is. Okay, that's object for ichcha. The dhatu of that kartum is kru dhatu. So kartum icchati. So the kru dhatu san pratyaya would be added. So kru dhatu will take. Similarly, patitum icchati. Devadattaha patitum icchati. You can see the example. What does he desire? He desire to do. The patitum is a karma. And the root of the karma, that is object meaning karma. The root of the karma of the icha kriya is pat. To the pat dhatu, sanda pratyaya is added. And another condition is that ichati, that the desire, and it should have the same agent, which has the same agent as the root desire. The object and the agent. The object, the patana kriya, patitum and icha kriya must have the same agent. Samana kartaka, important. So, dhatu to dhatu san pratyaya is added, and the dhatu must be dhatu is the object of the root ichati, to desire, and which has the same agent. What are the same agent? The dhatu, which is kriya, right, action. For that, the karta will be there. The karta should be same as that of the root icha, to desire, in the sense of desiring or wishing. So the karta of icha kriya and the karta of the object of the root. The object of the root is the dhatu. To dhatu only we add the pratyaya. So that dhatu, the kriya, the action must have a karta. So it should be same. Samana kartrika. It's very important. Here, patitum ichchati, for example. Kaha devadattaha patitum ichchati. Who desires? Devadatta.
Yeah.
And what is the object of his desire? Patitum, whose the dhatu is pat. For that, who is the karta again? Karta is Devadatta only, not somebody else. Not Devadatta wants Yajnadatta to read. Then you cannot use Ananta. Devadattaha patitum ichchati, Devadattaha pipatishati. But Devadatta wants Yajnadatta to read. That you cannot use. Yajnadatta desires fine, but Devadatta desires Yajnadatta to study. That you cannot use. That is Samana Kartrikadichayam va. Understand?
Yes.
So he desires to study. Samana Kartrika should be the same karta. The object, the karma is the karma, that is the object, and the icha, the karma, the object which has a dhatu, which have a karta. Similarly, the icha has a karta. So they should be same. Samana kartrika. So therefore samana kartrika adichayam important. In the example, if you understand, it is when paddhatoho karta. The pataron become patitum, to become the object for icha. So that paddhatoho karta and icha kriyayaha karta, samana kartrika, to be the same person. The application of san pratyaya in the sense of icha is restricted only to the dhatus by the sutram dhatoho karmana samana kartrika dichayam va, where the application of san pratyaya to specific dhatus and specific meaning. Okay, sorry. This is one thing, 317. This is what we say. We call icharte san. To the karta who is samana karta, the same karta, who desires to do a certain karma, the action. So that for that karta, icharte, to the object of icha, which refers to the root, whatever be the root, so that san pratyaya is added in icharte. Whereas the application of san to some specific dhatus in some specific meanings, that is written by the sutra, the previous sutra, 315 and 316. Guptechkit vyasan Man Badadan Shanbyo Dirgascha Bhyasasya. So 5, 6, 7. 7th sutra only Ichartha is San. 5 and 6 is not Ichartha. And also it is not Adhatuka Pratyaya. San ordained by the Sutram Dhatoho Karmana Samana Kartaka Ichayamba is considered to be Adhatuka because Dhatoho it is some Shabdamasti. By the Sutram Adhatukum Sheshaha. Therefore, San being Adhatuka Pratyaya. And San it is Sakara, Valadi. Therefore, Itagama will come or not? Will come, right?
Will come, yes.
Being Valadi. Therefore, Adhatuka Sit Valadehe. By that sutra, Itagama will come, provided what? The Dhatu should be Set Anukula Dhatu, right? That is the condition we have already seen.
Yeah.
Dhatu, the Pratyaya should be Set Anukula Pratyaya. Dhatu must be Set Anukula Dhatu. Then only Itagama will come. Right? So both the condition, both the Dhatu as well as the Pratyaya must be Anukula, Set Anukula, both. Now, whereas Sun ordained to specific root in the Sutra 315 and 317, Guptich could be a Sun, and this Man Badadan Shanbyo Dirgascha Vyasasya doesn't enjoy Adhatuka Singha. Why? Because there is no Dhatoho Samshabdanam, Dhatoho Adhikara, Dhatoho, the word is not there. Therefore, therefore, it is not Adhatuka Pratyaya, doesn't enjoy Adhatuka Singha. Therefore, Itagama will not come. Even though Valadi, it is not Adhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, no Itagama. Right? And also Angakarya cannot happen. So it doesn't enjoy Adhatuka Singha and therefore would not take Itagama as well as Guna Angakarya, Rasvaikupada and Igantanga will not take Guna. The Angakarya, the main Angakarya, Sarvadhatuka, Adhatuka Yogo, we know it very well. And Pugantalagupadasya Cha 7386, this Angakarya will not happen. This is important to be noted, the difference between 317 and 315, 316 together. Okay, now let us see 315. It is simple because it is not Adhatuka Pratyaya, no Valadi. So no Itagama. It's Valadi, but no Itagama because not Adhatuka. So it is simple. We just add, we get the form. So now Guptich can be a son. Gupa, Gupu, Gopane, sense of protection. In that meaning only. If you see the Sutra Dhatu Pata would have given many meaning, but I'm taking from Kashika. Gupa, Gopane, Tija, Nishane, Kita Nivase, Ete, Byaha, Dhatu, Byaha, San Pratyaha Bhavati. And Vartikam says, Guper, Nindayam. That is Gup Dhatu in the sense of Ninda, not protection here. Please note. Because Vartikam says, here, not in the sense of Gopayati. Gopayati is different. Here it is Gupen Nindayam in the sense of censuring. Gupa Gopane, in the sense of censuring the Dhatu Gup will take San Pratyaya and San being a Pratyaya and it is not Adhatuka Pratyaya, but because it is Sun, therefore, what will happen? Duplication happens. Duplication. What is duplication? We know, right? What is duplication? Anabhyasasya. I mean, that which has not undergone Abhyasa will undergo Abhyasa duplication. And we know Purve Abhyasaha, Ube Abhyastam. So this is that duplication, that Abhyasa Dvitvam, it undergoes Dvitvam, covered in this section 6.1. Covered in the section 6.1, which we will discuss also later in detail. From the first sutra onwards, it's important. Ekacho dve patamasya, ajade dvitiyasya, nandra sanyogadaya. We'll discuss all those things later. Purvaha abhyasaha, ube abhyastam. And we have seen jakshatyadeha shat in Shatranta. Those. And liti ratoho anabhyasasya, that is for lit lakara. Lit lakara Anabhyasasya dhatoho Vritam bhavati in liti, in lit lakare. Next sutra, san yagoho. That is what is important. San yagoho. Dhatoho anabhyasasya. Dhatu which has not undergone abhyasa, which has not been duplicated. That dhatu will undergo dvitvam. How the dvitvam happens? Ekachaha dve prathamasya. If it the dhatu is ekach, then prathamasya dvitvam bhavati. If dhatu is anekach, ajadeghe dvitiyasya. If dhatu is anekach, ajadi dhatu, then dvitiyasya dvitam bhavati. We will see the examples. Ekachaha means ekaha ach, yes means saha ekachaha. So prathamasya dve, the first will get dvitam. The dvitam will happen for the vowel with the consonants on its left and right side till the vowel precedes or succeeds. Up to that, whatever consonants are there, they are also enclosed. So that is one unit. So that gets duplicated. So if it is ekach, one voweled dhatu, then prathamasya dvitam bhavati. Ekach, it is prathamasya. Ajadeghe dvitiyasya. Okay, this you need to remember. And san yahoho says here, another thing is san, and we're going to discuss it later. San yahoho is shashti vibhakti. Liti dhatoho anabhyasasya, liti is saptami. In the case of lit lakara, dhatu which has not undergone dvitvam anabhyasasya, abhyasaha, dvitvam bhavati. In lit lakara, but here it is not like that. It is not in saptami. San yagoho, it is form is same for saptami as well as shashti. 6-2 and 7-2 same. Varutoho, right? Same form. But here you have to take it as shashti. It means san pratyaya is added after that duplication happens. Generally, in other cases, pratyaya is added. For lit lakara, if you take, duplication happens. Pratyaya is added. Pratyaya will not undergo duplication along with the anga, the dhatu. Dhatu will undergo duplication and pratyaya is added after that. And undergo duplication and abhyasa karya and all will happen. And after that pratyaya, it is added. Pratyaya, if it is adhatu pratyaya, valadi, then itahama, etc. will come. The process is done. But here, san pratyaya is added after the duplication happens. Once you add san pratyaya, the content of san is sa. Then the dhatu becomes anekach now. Right? Now it becomes anekach. It's not one. Dhatu has got one vowel. And san pratyaya also has got one vowel. Now it must have two vowels. Then there we have to apply. Ekacho dve prathamasya ajadeke dvitiyasya. If it's ajadi, then second. If it is not ajadi, if it is saladi, then prathamasya, the first vowel with its consonants will get duplicated. Dvitam bhavati. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to see all those things with the example. Okay. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Now let us see further. So therefore now to the gubdhatu, atmane paridhatu, san pratyaya is added. Now after adding san pratyaya, that's what I said. When pratyaya is added, then anga, that dhatu is anga, will undergo duplication. But in the case of san, after adding san, you do the duplication. Okay. So it becomes one, then undergo duplication. That is San is Shashti Vibhakti. It is not Saptami. If it is Saptami, then San Pratyaye Pare, Dhatoho, Anabhyasa se Dhatoho, Dvitam Bhavati. But San is Shashti Vibhakti. Therefore, adding that to the Dhatu, then it becomes Gupsa. No Anguna, no Anga Itakama. We know, because it is not Adhidhatika Pratyaya. Otherwise, Go will become Go. It has not undergone any Angakarya. And no Itakama also, because it doesn't enjoy Adhidhatika Sanya. Therefore, Gupsa you get. Now, Gupsa you have to duplicate. Beginning with what? Now it is a Anekash Dhatu, right? It is
Yes, sir.
two vowels are there, U and A. Ekacho dve pratamasya. See, Ajadehe dvitiyasi. If it is Ajadi, then second vowel gets duplicated. Otherwise, what will get duplicated? Pratamasya.
First one, yeah.
Ekachaha dve pratamasya. That will apply. Dve pratamasya. That is Ekachaha dve pratamasya. Pratamasya dve bhavati. Pratamasya dve bhavati. Pratamasya is of the first one.
And it should be Hal only.
Yes. Sorry, not Eka. See, it is Anekash Dhatu. If it is Anekash, then and if it is Ajadi, the second one will get duplicated. Okay. Second one will get duplicated. This is not Ajadi. Therefore, what will happen? Therefore, Pratamasya. Therefore, we have to understand it is Pratamasya. Right? Pratamasya Dvitam Bhavati. So, what is Pratama here? Pratama is U. So, U will, on the left and right, it will extend itself up to the bubble. Therefore, U is preceded by Kakara. The Kakara is included. And followed by Ukara, followed by Pakara and Sakara. And then after that, Akara. Akara is the next following vowel that is excluded. So that becomes the that is the Ekach. That we call Ekach. Ekach meaning that Ach.
It's only one Ach.
It is with the vowels. Yes. It is Ach. This alone will undergo duplication. Okay. Gupsa. Gupsa of that duplication will be Gups. It has got two vowels and it is beginning with Haladi. Therefore, the first vowel gets duplicated. The first vowel, when we say this is the first vowel, that is, you have to take the vowel with its consonants, right, together. Gups is the Dvita Rupam of Gupsa. If it is Ajadi, then what will happen? Then second vowel, which is Sa, then Sakara followed by A. So, and Pakara will be there. So, it be Sa. That will duplicate. Sa will come first. Suppose if it is there, I'm saying. Understand? Okay, we'll see. Anyway, don't worry about it now. We are not going to, you're not interested in how it happens. Angakarya, we are going to discuss. But Ekachode Patamasya, we are going to discuss. Okay. So this is Haladi, therefore this part gets duplicated. Then once it's duplicated, then this is called Abhyasa. Abhyasa meaning, Abhyasa Karya will happen, which is in 7.4. We have seen in the context of even Subanta also some Shabda, maybe that's something, right? We have seen. Ube Abhyastam. Yeah. Dadivasa, so many things we have seen. So now Ube Abhyastam Purvaha Abhyasaha. Now Abhyasa Karya will happen. You remember Abhyasa Karya? Aladehe. Aladi Sheshaha. The first consonant will remain. It means other consonants will drop. So Pakara and Sakara will drop. Gakara will remain. Therefore, Gu Kupsa you get. Then after that, Ugos Chuhu, remember? Ugos Chuhu. Kavarga of the Abhyasa will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter. That was 462. Again, we are going to see all those sutras in detail. Okay. Therefore, the Vikara replaced by Chavadga. Then after that, what will happen? Oh, this is a new dhatu. Jugupsa. It's a new dhatu. By what sutra? Sanadyantaha dhataha.
Dhatavah.
Sanadyantaha. How many pratyas are there? 12 pratyas. Among them, many namadhatu, the pratyas we have seen, chicken, etc. Right? So sun pratyaya now. Sanadyantaha dhataha by that sutra. Because Jugupsa, where it is? Is it at the sutra pata? The dhatu pata? No. It is derived dhatu. Right? Like Nijanta. So therefore, by the sutra Sanadyantaha dhatavaha, it gets dhatu sanya. And now the Jugupsa means to censure, to despise, to avoid, to shun. That is the meaning. Now you got a new dhatu. New dhatu will be treated to be belonging to first Ganana.
Yeah.
Therefore, when you add Ganavikana Pratyaya, when you add Pratyaya, then it will take Ganavikarana. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare, we know. Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare, Kartari Sarvadhatike, Shap Utsarga will apply. Right? Shap will come. So now Jugupsa plus Shap plus Te, Jugupsa, Apadanta, Akara Uttarasya, Gune Pare, Ato Gune by that sutra. Right? Sandhi. Jugupsa, you get Jugupsate, Jugupsate, Jugupsete, Jugupsante. Can derive, right? Jugupsate. So gup in the sense of censuring. Therefore, Jugupsate betrays, censures, avoids in that meaning. Then Guptich Kidvyasan. Next one is Tijehe Kshamaya in the sense of endurance, enduring, patience. So therefore Titiksha, etc. comes. So to the Dhatu, Tij, Nishane, Atmanepadi Dhatu. So Tij plus Sun, here also Sun Pratyaya. No Itagama because not all Dhatuka. Therefore, what will happen? Tij plus Sun. Then once you add Tij plus Sa, after that only it undergoes duplication. So Tij Sa is you get and then duplication. Duplication is T. The first vowel. First vowel is E. Because it is Aladi, therefore first vowel gets duplicated. So therefore it is Tich. It's a duplicated rupam. The whole thing is Abhyasta, Ubhay Abhyastam, Purvaha, Abhyasaha, then Abhyasa Karyam, Aladi, Sheshaha, Jakara and Sakara will drop, T will remain. So Titaj, right? Now we have Titaj, Tij, Sakara. Just to write it separately. We can write together also, no problem. But why I am writing separately? Because Jakara is what Sandhi will apply? Choho Kuhu will apply. That is why separate. We said Choho Kuhu. That is Shavarga followed by Jal or a end of the Padam. That's why shown separately. So Choho Kuhu. Now Titik. After that, you know what I will apply? Sakara is Apadanta Sakara. Pratyaya Sakara. Preceded by Inarku. Therefore,
Adesha Pratyaya. Shatvam will apply.
Adesha Pratyaya. Then you get Titiksha. Titiksha means endurance, to bear, to endure. And what Pratyaya to take? Atmanepadi Pratyaya. Therefore, Titikshate. New dhatu by Sanadyantaha dhataha, then Kartari Sarvadhatu Keshap. Then once it comes, then Gunas and Ato Gune, Parupasandhi, Titikshate, you get form. Titikshate, Titikshete, Titikshante, you can decline. See, you can decline in all lakaras. By default, we take like Namadhatu we took. Lat lakara, similarly here also Lat lakara. All the lakaras possible. Even in Lang lakara, Lung lakara, Lung lakara, all lakaras possible. Then next one. Kite, Kit, Guptech Kid Vyasan. Kitehe Vyadi Pratikare. Treatment. Treating the disease. Gup is to scold, to censure. Gopane, betrayal. And Tej is to put up with, endurance. And kit is vyadi pratikara, treating the disease. So kita. So kit plus son, same thing. Kitsa, duplication. Kitsa. Then aladi, sheshaha, key will remain. Kikit, takara followed by takara. What will happen?
It's
Okay.
संयोगान्तस्य लोपः.
No, it's not Sayogandasya, right? It is not a padam at all now. It's not a padam.
Correct.
Kikit plus sa. I wrote it separately in order to, because the next one will apply. What is that? Okay, after one more Angakarya is that this kakara kugos chugu will apply chikit. Okay, now chikit sa. After that, I think that nothing happens. In fact, it can be left out because nothing happens here. Yeah. The takara is there, followed by sakara. What will apply? You cannot apply Shutto Sandhi, you cannot apply Jalam Jashi, nothing happens. Okay. It's just shown separately, nothing else. Okay. Nothing happens. Takara and Sakara, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You cannot apply Shogakuku, Hodaha, no the Sutra, nothing happens. So Chikitsa. Just written separately, nothing else. You can write together also, no problem. In this case, doesn't happen, whereas in the previous case, Kuttum happens. That is why written separately. So same format I did. Okay, nothing else. Even I thought Jalam just Jashi will apply, but this is not a just
Padam
letter.
within.
Yeah, it
Not
will
Padam, not Padasanya, even Jalam
Yeah.
Jashi 8453,
You need,
but this is not a just letter, right? So forth. And I remember the
Yeah.
form Chikitsa, therefore I know nothing will happen. So Chikitsa treatment. Only this here, Abhyasa Karya, Kugos Chugu will apply, Kavarga replace the corresponding Chavarga, therefore Chikitsa. Now Chikitsa is treatment, cure. Therefore,
359 also will not apply. No?
Yeah, exactly. Copy paste problem.
Yeah.
Because it is not preceded by inner will not apply. So Chikitsa only get, yes. Okay, then Chikitsa plus Shab plus say Atmanepadi Dhatu, therefore. It is you can check it is Atmanepadi. Here I copy pasted Kita Nivase, not Nivase, Kita is Yadi Pratikare. Okay, it is also copy. Treating the disease, Vyadi Pratikare, and the Dhatu is Atmanepadi. So Chikitsa, then Katari Savda the Keshab, then you get Chikitsate. Chikitsa, treatment. Vipurvaka Sananta Kiddatu, yeah, Vichikitsa. Atayedite Karma Vichikitsava, the Vichikitsava Syat. Vichikitsa, doubt. Vipurvaka, the same. Sananta Kiddatu, as the meaning of doubt, right? Vichikitsa. Vichikitsa. It says the word is there in Taittiriya Upanishad. And in not only Taittiriya, in Katha Upanishad also it is there, right? Yeyam prete Vichikitsa Manushye. That's the question Nachiketa asked, right? We have seen. Vichikitsa, Yeyam prete. In fact, that is the third boon, right? Yeyam prete Vichikitsa Manushye Astityeke Nayam Astiti Cheke. Etad Vidya Manushishtas Prayahum Varanam Esha Varastritiyah. There are also Ayam Prete Vichikitsa, the doubt is there with regard to Prete, with regard to the departed. Asti iti chayeke, nasti iti chayeke, right? We have seen. P Purvaka Chikitsa means to doubt, to question, to inquire. That is why inquiry. Vichikitsate, Achiketa, Vichikitsate, Vichikitsa occurs in Taittiriya Upanishad. Okay, I wrote Taittiriya Upanishad, it occurs in the word, occurs in Katha Upanishad also. Then Up to this is not deteriorative son. So you can remember these words: chikitsate, jugupsate, and titikshate. Right? Titikshate. From that only we get titiksha, etc. Okay. Now we are going to see sons. So desiderative son. Icharte son. Father, the sutra is dhatoho karmanaha samana kartakadichayam. Splitting that. Dhatoho panchami and karma is, here it is, karma is karaka. Samana kartakat ichayam va optionally. Right? Karmana samana kartakat dhatoho ichaya vasan. The Siddhanta Kaumadikara says ishi karmanaha. Ishi karmanaha means ish dhatoho, that is ichati is a karma of that. Ishi karmanaha. Ishina ekakartakat. And ekakartakat, samana kartakat, ekakartakat. Dhatoho san pratyaha va bhavati. Optionally it will come ichayam in the sense of icha. Dhatoho vihitatvat. Iga san is dhatoho vihitatvat sanaha san ardhadukam bhavati. Right? San will be ardhadhuka pratyaya because it is ordained after a dhatu. So ishi karmanaha. So the karma of the ish dhatu, ishina ekakartaga dhatoho, and ishina ekakarmaka ishina ekakartakat, the one karta, the same karta, samana karta. Karma is there to the dhatu of the karma, and ish also is there. So they should have same karma, they should have same karta. So to the same kartakat, samana kartakat. Dhatoho ishi karmanaha. So the karma which is of the dhatu in the sense of icha and samana karta, samana kartakat. Then this san pratyaya is added. Ishi karma yaha. The copy, the typo will be there. Dhatuhu ishina eva samana kartakaha. Ishina eva samana kartakaha. It is samana kartakaha. Ishi karmaha. The ishi dhatuhu yaga karmaha. Ishi dhatuhu karma yaha dhatuhu. That will be, that karta of that will be same that of the ishi karma. Ishina eva samana kartakaha. Ishi karma and ishina, that karta of them both will be same. Tasmad ichaya marte san pratyaya bhavati. Karmatvam samana kartakam cha dhatoho arthadvarakam. Ishi karma, ishehe karma, ishi karma. Iti shashti samasa. Okay. Samana karta yasya saha, samana kartaka iti bahuvri samasa. Kap pratyaya is added. Samana kartakaha. The karta is same for both. Both means the karta is there. Karta is referred to by the kriya. The icha kriya is there, and icha kriya is karma, and the dhatu which expresses a karma, and the dhatu will have the same karta as that of the icha kriya. That is samana kartaka. The pratyaya san is ordained optionally in the sense of wishing, ichayam, after a dhatu expressing the object wished. Kartum, to do, etc. Patitum. And that will have the same agent as that of the wisher, as that of the ichuhu. So ichuhu is the icha kriyayaha ichuhu. Then the object is the tasya karta. Therefore samana karta. Both should be same. Right? Otherwise simple. Devadattaha, Yajnadatta, you understand. Devadattaha patitam ichati, fine.
Yeah.
But Devadatta wants Yajnadatta to study, that will not be. Right? That is, you cannot form it. Patitam ichati. No, sorry?
Karta should be same for both the actions.
Karta should be same. That is the idea. Otherwise, what will happen? Devadatta wants Yajnadatta to study. Therefore, Yajnadatta becomes the karma for the Icha Kriya of the Devadatta. Right?
Yes.
And then Yajnadatta should study. So, for study, the Karta becomes Yajnadatta. For Icha, the karma becomes
Devadatta.
so Samana Kartakava.
No.
Different Karta. Therefore, he cannot add son. Right? That's the idea. So, Patitam Ichati, Pipatishati, Hartum Ichati, Jigirshati. We are going to see. This is what really the Abhyasa Karya and the derivation. This is what we are going to see. For that, we need to prepare the ground. The preparation we are doing. The preparation it will elaborate. You have to see because any dhatu given, be able to derive the sun rupam. Kartum Ichati, Chikirshati. Kartum Icha, Chikisha. Hartumicha Jigisha, Patitimicha Pipatisha, Noktimicha Mumuksha, right?
Yeah.
So Mukshuhu, Kartum Ichuhu, Tikishuhu, we say. Ukaranda Shabda, like Guru Shabda, you can decline. Jigishuhu, Pipatishuhu, already we have seen, remember? Pipatish.
Pipatishu, we saw.
We have seen that in Svanta. Dhatu Grahanam Kim. Sopasargat utpattihi mahabhut. Very important. Dhatu must also be simple, should not be compounded with any upasarga. Okay. For example, prakartum aichatu, you cannot do it.
Okay.
Oh.
Here, the dhatu is kru dhatu, but it has upasarga pra. To the sananta, you can add upasarga. That is fine. Okay.
Okay.
Kirshati, once you form, to that upasarga can be added. But here, the karma is prakartum of the dhatu is kru dhatu, which has upasarga. That cannot be, that is not allowed. So upasargat utpattihi mahabhut. So prakartum aichet, you cannot do. You cannot do what? Prakartum aichet. Prakartum aichet.
Upasarga cannot come for.
Upasarga. But here we are given, what we are given, that is achikirshat, that is lang lakara, after that pra we have added. Okay. So it is pra upasarga achikarshat. Chikirshati is a rupam, lat lakara, lang lakara achikirshat, and pra upasarga is added. Okay. So you cannot take pra kru, to that you cannot add san. Kru you take, add san, duplication, you get chikirsha, then pra could be added. So prakartam aichat is equal to pra chikirshat. Okay, understand? Here, please note, we have not taken prakru and then added san. No, kru only we have taken added san, and pra is added after sananta. After adding sananta, it will be pra chikirshat. You have to note. We said it is not compounded, and here you have shown, means it's not like that. Here it is so. Prakartum aichat, sananta rupam of that is, pra is taken out. Kru only first you have to do the sananta rupam of kru, and then add pra. Then you get pra chikirshat. Here also, prachikirshati, yes, I'm saying, similarly, prapipatishati, all is possible. Pra upasarga, because this is a kriya padam, right? To the kriya padam, we can add upasarga. What prevents it? But to the karma is there, right? That ichati, icha kriyayaha karma, that must be a simple dhatu. It should not have any upasarga. That's why sopasarga utpattihi mahabhut. Sananta should not be added to the dhatu which has upasarga. And also, next one, karmana, this is all kashika. Karmana iti kim, why we say karmana? Should not be with karana and other karakas. Karanan Mabhut, like Gamanena Ichati. Suppose Devadattaha Gamanena Ichati. Here karma is karma not there. Only Karanam is there. Can you add Sananta to Gam? No. Why do we say after a dhatu expressing an object? Because the pratyaya will not come after instrumental case. Instrumental case is one example. Not come for any other karaka. Only karma. To the karma of this icha kriya, and that karma is expressed through a dhatu. To that dhatu only san pratyaya is added. And the karta of that dhatu as well as icha kriya dhatu samana karta, same karta. Right? This is the meaning. Dhatu ho samana karta ka ichaya va. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here you cannot add in Gamanena Ichati, San Pratyaya you cannot add. But Gantum Ichati, that you can do.
Yeah.
Gamana Kriya, who is a Karta? Devadattaha. Ichati, Kaha Ichati, Devadattaha, Samana Kartaka. And Gantum, that you can add the karma. Please note, Gantum is Avyaya, even to Avyaya, it is karma for Ichati. Okay. It is the karma. What does it is here? Kim kartum ichati, gantum ichati.
Gantum ichati.
Therefore, san pratyaya can be added to gam dhatu in the sense of desiring. The object of wish is gantum, to go, and therefore to the gam dhatu, which has samana kartakam as that of the icha, that to that dhatu san pratyaya can be added. Therefore, jigamishati you get. How we get jigamishati, we are going to see. Okay. Now, samana kartaka ridikim.
Sorry.
Samana kartaka diti. Samana kartaka diti. That's a typo. Samana kartaka diti kim. Why we say? Because Devadattasya bhojanam ichati yajnadattaha. Now, who desires? Yajnadattaha ichati.
Yeah.
Yajnadattaha, he doesn't desire bhojanam. Devadattasya bhojanam, right?
Yeah.
He desires food for Devadatta.
Devadatta.
So, bhujadatu, bhojanam. Who is the karta of that? Devadattasya bhojanam. Here, Yajnadatta is the agent of the verb, but he is not the agent of the bhojanam, the bhujadatu. Therefore, samana kartakatvam nasti. Therefore, no san pratyaya here. You cannot add. Therefore, you cannot have. You don't have any alternate way of expressing this. You have to say like this only. Yajnadattaha devadattasya bhojanam ichati. Right? Ichayam kim. Why icha? No other kriya. Kartum janati. He wants to do. He knows to do.
Yeah.
Can we do krudatu san? No. Janati. That is why ichayam only. Why we say in the sense of wishing? Kartum janati. He knows how to do. Here you will not, you cannot add san. San rupam not possible. Here the sense is that of knowing. Therefore, there is no san pratyaya. Right? Then icha sanantat pratishedaha. Viktavya. Now, Devadattaha chikirshitum ichati. What is the chikirshitum is?
Getting treated. Doing something to do. Here,
Chikirshitum derived from chikirsha dhatu, right? It is sananda dhatu. From that only, to that only tum pratyaya is added, right? Chikirsha is a dhatu. Chikirsha plus tumun. Chikirsha plus tumun, what will happen? Tum pratyaya, you know. The dhatu is chikirsha.
Itagama comes.
This is a dhatu, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Because sanadenta dhatavaha, tum pratyaya is added. This is aneka. Will itagama comes? Yes. Because this is aneka. Aneka
And valadi.
means valadi. Now, itum. Therefore, here what will happen? Ato lopaha will apply. Akarasya. Angasya akara. Then shakara plus e. Chikirshi. Repa is a chikirshi. Chikirshitum you get. Right? Therefore, tum pratyaya is added to the sananta rupam of krudhatu. that is pratishedaha, that is not allowed. Ichha sannantat pratishedaha vaktavyaha. The karma cannot be the sanantarupam for the ichha kriya. Understand?
Cannot come as karma.
Only for
it cannot.
kartum ichati you can add and not for
Yes.
chikisha.
So here the karma cannot be sanantarupam. Okay.
Okay.
Karma of ichha kriya cannot be sananta, not allowed. Right?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Okay.
This is a
Yeah.
Vastika, Icha Sananta, not told. That's why Kashikakara says, Icha Sananta. Tomorrow we may think, suppose let me do Devadattaha Chikirsha Michati, we'll try to do. No, you cannot. Then what will happen? A problem. Already Chikirsha is Sananta. So the Sananta, you will add one more son. Sansananta. Upper Sansananta, 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 it will go on. You have to stop somewhere, right? Therefore, no, you cannot do it. Okay, this is what Vastika says that. Then there comes a sutra. Number 2. Why number 2? Because this is number 1. Okay. This is number 1. In Ashtadhyayi Pravesha, if it is there, then that time you will be able to understand easily. So this is a basic. All the things are covered detailed here. So in Ashtadhyayi Pravesha, it will be easy for you. Tanadyantaha dhavadah. This is a sutram by which Dhatu Sanya is ordained to Sananta. Right? Tanadyantaha, what compound is that? Adi. Adi means, what is Adi? Adi is etc.
Yes, etc.
A group of pratyaya beginning with sun, right?
Okay.
That group is referred to by the word sanadi. The group in which the first pratyaya is sun. Because in the Sutra Pada, sun comes first, right? The 12 pratyayas. Sun, Kyang, Kesh, Pada, Ning, Nich, etc. Right? Aya, everything comes under sun. So sun adihi, yesham te. Te means what? To the group. To the group. That group in which sun is the first pratyaya, that's called sanadayaha. San adihi, yesham te. Sanadayaha, it is Bhagavachanam. Sanadihi, Pullinga like you can declare Sanadihi, Sanadi, Sanadayaha. So Sanadayaha, Gauri Samasa. Now, this is a good example. Bhaguvrihi, Garbha, Bhaguvrihi. Sanadihi, Sanadayaha is Bhaguvrihi. Then Sanadihi, Antaha, right? Sanadayaha, Ante. San pratyaya are at the end of which dhatu? Those dhatus are called Sanadyantaha dhatavaha. Understand? So Bahuvrihi, Garbha, Bahuvrihi. Here 3 words are there. San, Adi, Anta. San plus Adi, one Bahuvrihi. San Adihi Eshamte. Right? Sanadi, Sanadayaha. Then Sanadayaha is the end of which dhatus. Those dhatus are called Sanadyantaha and they are dhatavaha. Understand? It's a good example for Bhaguvrihi, Garbha, Bhaguvrihi, Samasa. You follow?
Yes, sir.
Samasa context will be useful.
Yes, sir.
This is here. This compound Bhaguvrihi, Garbha. Garbha is Avantara. You have to do compound. You cannot without compound you cannot make it. So you have to internal. So this is internal compound. Like in the Vissa, no, the Samahare, Uttarapade, Taditat Vishaye. That compound is a must. Diksanye, Asanyaya, right?
Asanyaya, yeah.
Compounding is a must. Nitya Samasa. That at the end of which the Sanadi Pratyas are added, we call Sanadyantaha. Being Pratyas, Sanadi Pratyas are added only after the Dhatu. As well as Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam, how is it possible? Pratipadikam? You have seen. Where? Namadhatu.
Yeah.
Namadhatu.
Oh, Namadhatu.
Even to Sanadi also.
Yeah.
Sanadi Pratyas are added after the Dhatus or Sanadi Pratyaya means referring to the group of Pratyas. So not only San Pratyaya, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the answer? I mean, how do we say that? Namadhatu.
Yeah.
Namadhatu, right? That is the,
Pratipadikam.
yes,
Pratipadikam.
that is the exam. Namadhatus. We have Namadhatu, we have seen. So therefore, that is the thing. So it can be added after Pratipadikam also. Right? Okay. Dhatu as well as Pratipadikam. Because Sanadyantaha Samudayaha Dhatu Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Okay. See, San Pratyaya it is added to Dhatu only, not to the Pratipadikam. Okay. Because Sanadeha referring to the group. In the group, we have the other Pratyayas, Kep, Keng, etc. Right? Pip also. Those are all Sanadi and Sanadyantaha, right? So they are added after the Pratipadikam. Please note, okay.
What, Sharanji? I'm sorry.
See, San Pratyaya is added to Dhatu only.
Yeah.
San Pratyaya in the Sanadyantaha in the group has got some 12 Pratyayas. Other Pratyayas in the group can be added to Pratipadikam. But San is added only to Dhatu only, not the Pratipadikam. Okay. Please note that sentence. The sentence may confuse. Dhatoho samana kartraka dichayamba, San coming as Anudruti. So the Dhatu only it is added. Understand? San Pratyaya is added only to the Dhatu. Sanadyantaha comes after Pratipadikam also, means referring to the other Pratyayas, like Namadhatu Pratyayas.
Okay.
You follow?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So San Pratyaya added to Dhatu, Afkru Dhatu, Chikirchati, etc. Visa, right?
Yes.
But can you add to that to your Pratipadikam? No. You cannot add that to your Pratipadikam, right? Understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
It is added only to the Dhatu. And how do we, yeah.
But why do we call it a Sanadyanta?
Sanadyantaha referring to the group of the Pratyayas. There we have Keng, Kesh, etc. They are added after a Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam converted into a Dhatu. Whereas San Pratyaya added to Dhatu, you get another Dhatu. And in the Sanadi Pratyayas, we have Kesh, Keng, etc. They are added after the Pratipadikam and get a new Dhatu. That is why Sanadyantaha Dhatavaha. Understand? Among the 12 Pratyayas, I think I am going to discuss it is here down below. We'll see. Okay. This line, it is, we have to note, this line is not all the Pratyayas in Sanadi Pratyayas are added after the Dhatu or Pratipadikam. You have to note. San Pratyaya added after the Dhatu and Keng, Kesh, etc. added after the Pratipadikam. Ultimately, you get a Dhatu only. Dhatu plus San is equal to Dhatu. And Dhatu, Pratipadikam plus Kesh, Keng, etc. You get a Dhatu. Understand? To the Pratipadikam, you cannot add San. How will you add San? Huh? What? It's not impossible, right? Dhatoho samana. Where is Icchate San? Not possible, right? You cannot add. You see all the example. Kartum Ichchati, Patitum Ichchati only is that. Not Ramam Ichchati. Ramam Ichchati, you cannot say Ramim Ichchati. Not possible. Okay.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah. So this is valid
here
for
it is Sanadi Pratyaya means
Sanadi
referring to the
Pratyayas.
group of all the 12. So in that what Pratyaya will come after the Dhatu, what Pratyaya come after the Pratipadikam, we must know. That is discussed here. Already we know also. Namadhatu we know, added after the Pratipadikam. San Pratyaya added after the Dhatu. Right? Fine. The list of Pratyaya beginning with San, that is Sanadi. The Sanadi, the word means not all the Pratyayas are added after the Dhatu, all the Pratyayas are optionally added after Pratikam, not like that. Whatever it is added, it should be added. San Pratyaya added after the Dhatu, and Kesh, Keng, or those things added after the Pratipadikam. But finally you get Dhatu. That is different. That is Sanadyantaha Dhatavaha.
Okay.
Now, list of pratyaya beginning with sun added to pratipadikam get a sanya dhatu. List of pratyaya beginning with sun. That is sanadi pratyaya.
Okay.
The sun is at beginning of which is called sanadihi. Here sun referring to the pratyaya sun. The sutra guptich kidbya sun. The list of pratyaya starting from guptich kidbyan sun up to the sutram sanadyantaha dhatavaha covers sanadi pratyaya. So please note this is what sanadi pratyaya is. The list of pratyaya starting from guptich kidbya sun up to 3132 whatever is there. They are called sanadi pratyayas. So they are added after the dhatu or pratipadikam depending on what the dhatu is. Now the list is summarized. Here you can see these are the pratyayas. San kyach kam yaj kyang kyasha athacharat nich yama tata yakaya iyang ning cheti dvadashani sanadayaha. So 12 pratyayas are given. First is sanadi. San pratyaya is ordained by the three sutram guptich kidbya san, which is a sutram, right?
Okay.
And here guptich kidbya is okay. I give the compound here. Gupcha, ticha, kitcha, tesham, iteratera dandvaha. Guptich kidbyaha, right? Guptich kidaha tebyaha, guptich kidbyaha. So the meaning is gopane, tija nishane, kita nivase. Etebya dhatubhya san pratyaya bhavati. So this san pratyaya is added after the dhatus. And in the whatever meaning already we have seen. Yesham trayanam dhatunam artha visheshe. In that meaning, whatever the meaning is that, right? That meaning san pratyaya artha visheshe. Artha visheshe is given. Artha visheshe. Right?
Yes.
So, san pratyaya bhavati. Therefore, gup is censuring. Therefore, you get jugupsa, jugupsate, we have seen already. So, when, see, already gup is gopane, censure, the meaning is there. Therefore, sun is icharte sun. But here it is not icharte sun. When icharte sun, when the meaning of the pratyaya is not mentioned, then we have this paribhasha. You can note. Anirdishtartaha pratyaha swarte bhavanti. When the pratyas do not specify any specific meaning, like this guptich kidbya sun, the sun is not icharta sun. Doesn't specify any meaning, right? Like tuman, for example, a trich you can take, doer. Kartari trich specifies karta. Whereas sun, icharte sun, specifies the desire. But what about guptich kidbya sun? There is no swarta, there is no swarta, there is no artha. If it is not the swarte bhavanti, that is in the meaning of the dhatu, san pratyaya is added. Anidishtartaha pratyayaha swarte bhavanti. Pratyayas which are ordained, it is not, it doesn't intend any particular meaning, then swarte bhavati dhatoho artayeva bhavanti, swarte bhavanti. Iti anena yada kaschana pratyaya vigitaha bhavati kintu tasya arthaha na uktaha tada swarte asti iti manyate. Swarte means in its own meaning, that is swarte nama tasya pratyaya sanyojanena artha parivartana na bhavati. So whatever the meaning of the dhatu, that is the meaning. So that san pratyaya doesn't change the meaning of the dhatu. That is swarte. That's what we call swarte. So therefore, gup means to censure. So jugupsate also same meaning, right? Whereas if you take a kru used to do. What about chikirsha? That meaning is different. Desire, wanting to do, that is different. There we change the meaning to ichaya. Okay, this is one paribhasha you can note. Anirdishtartaha pratyayaha swarte bhavanti. Okay. So here, example for that is, you can note, example for this paribhasha. Anirdishtartaha pratyayaha swarte is guptich kidbya san. Swarte san we call. Swarte, like we say swarte nich, right? Prerate nich. Similarly, 10th gana, it is swarte nich, right? Generally. But can mean preranate also. But with regard to other ganas, it has to be preranate, not swarte. Understand?
Yes.
So these three dhatus, us, sanantarupam, jugupsate, titikshate, chikitsati, we have seen, and it is in the meaning of ninda, kshama, vyadi, pratikareshu, Kashikakara says, respectively. Jugupsate meaning ninda, kshama, titikshate, vyadi, pratikara, treating the disease. Sun Ishate, sun is desired. Anyatra yata praptam pratyah bhavati. Anyatra yata praptam pratyah bhavanti. Yes. Anyatra means in other than sun. Whatever pratyah is to be ordained, that is ordained. Like gopayati. Gopayati. Yeah. Gopayati is a tejayati, sanketayati. This is swarte. Gopayati, tejayati, sanketayati. Meaning gopayati, protect. That meaning is that tejayati, can check dhatu. This is in 10th gana. Then sanketayati. Sanketa is what? Sanketanam we say, right? Sanketa.
Signal.
Signal, Sanketanam.
Oh, okay.
Signing, sun sign, Sanketanam. Okay, that is Kit Dhatu. Some upasarga, it gets a meaning. But here, Swarte Bhavanti. Anyatra Eta Praptam Pratyah Bhavati. In other places, what are the Pratyah? In that will take that meaning. Okay, now. Gupadishu Anubandha Karanam Atmane Padartham. So, Gupadishu, it is all Atmane Pada. Gupadishu Anubandha, in Gupu and all Anubandha is there, it is only for Atmane Padartham. Gupdatu, meaning despise, not in the sense to hide. Okay. Therefore, Saha Jugupsate. Compare with this with Saha Gopayati. Dhatu is Gupu. But here in Sananta it is Jugupsate. How do we know? From the Kashika. Kashikara says, Nindayamiti. Similarly, Tij means to endure. Not in the sense of to wet, to sharpen. Tejayati. Teja, we say no, Tejayati, sharpening. That is not the meaning here. Here, Swarte, sun, that is in the meaning of Titiksha, Titikshate. The meaning we know only from the Kashika. That's why Kashika we refer. Kit Dhatu, meaning to heal, not in the sense of to dwell. Sanketayati, he makes sign, right? Sign symbol. That is general. But Sananta is Chikitsate. So this is the Vartika. Ninda Kshama Vyadi Pratikareshu San Ishyate. Anyatra Eta Praptam Pratyaha Bhavanti. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Continue. You follow right up to here. Again repeated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, Man Badadan Shanvya Dirghascha Vyasasya. That just now we will see that later. We are not interested in that now. Then comes Dhatoho Samana Katraka Dichayamba. Etegi Sutraihi Diyante. That San Pratyaya is ordered. Okay. This is just an introduction to Sun, then after that Kech, etc. That and all we know. Yeah. We'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawada ji. See, last class Namadhatu notes, I think we need to get it because the last bit is not there for me.
Okay, I'll send you.
That one and today's also, right?
Yes. I'll do it.
Dhanyawada.